What a wonderful day, everyone. This is Teacher Taz, and this is another video that will certainly enhance your reading ability. This is the last section of reading test, and this is reading comprehension. For this video, you will read a notice and an invoice. Please read first the notice. Then the invoice. And answer the 5 questions. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Well, are you done? Okay, that's good. So this time, I will read first the notice and the invoice, and after that, we will check your answer. This is the notice. Funeral service planned for Lexington. The family of Penelope Lexington is saddened to announce the passing of their beloved daughter. A funeral service will be held for Penelope Lexington on Wednesday in Boston, Massachusetts, and a family ceremony will be held on Thursday in Long Island, New York. Lexington died Monday after a courageous-long battle with breast cancer. She died surrounded by her family at the McNally Hospice House in Boston. In lieu of flowers, the family wishes that donations be sent to the Long Island Cancer Research Center, care of Somerset Hospital of Long Island, P.O. Box 1293, Long Island, New York, 17692. Now, this is the invoice. Lockhart Funeral Home, Boston, Massachusetts. Invoice. Wednesday, June 7, 2009. Embalming service. $750. Coffin. $2,500. Transportation, including the rental of vehicle, that is $500. Travel expenses. Church, $250. Travel expenses. Cemetery, $250. Funeral home rental, that is $1,000. Church services for $25 and refreshments for $50, with a total of $6,125. Now, let's answer the 5 questions. 196. What kind of announcement is this? A letter of condolences. B. A research center opening. C. An obituary notice. And D. A birth notice. Well, the announcement is an obituary notice. That is letter C. When we say obituary, that means a published notice of a death, sometimes with a brief biography of the deceased. Okay, so again, the announcement is an obituary notice. A letter of condolences. B. A research center opening. And D. A birth notice are all wrong. Now, let's go to 197. What does the family request in the remembrance? A. Refreshments. B. Donations. C. Flowers. D. Cash. Well, the family requests some donations, and this is the answer, letter B. And you can find that in this part of the notice. So again, The answer in 197 is letter B, donations. A, C, and D are all wrong. Now let's go to 198. And to notice the phrase in lieu of in line 5 is closest meaning to A, because of, B, despite, C, instead of, and D, prior to. Well, in lieu of, this means letter C, instead of. And you can find that in this part. It's like, in lieu of flowers, the family wishes that donations be sent to the Long Island Cancer Research Center. That means, instead of flowers, the family wishes that donations be sent to the Long Island Cancer Research Center. So again, the answer or the meaning of in lieu of, that means instead of. So letter A, B, and D are all wrong. 199. How much does the funeral home charge for coffee and tea? A, $750, B, $425, C, $250, and D, $450. Well, you can't find coffee or tea in the passage, right? You can't find that in the invoice or in the notice. Let's try to check this one. In the invoice, you can find the word refreshment. Okay? And when we say refreshment, that means something such as food or drink that refreshes. So, coffee and tea belong in this word refreshment. So the answer, or it cost $450. Well, in this number, the answer here is letter D, $450. So letter A, B, and C are all wrong. Now let's go to 200. How much will the family be charged to be driven for the day? Letter A, $250, B, $500, C, $750, and D, $1,000. Well, the answer here is letter D, $1,000. And you can find that in this part. So again, the answer in 200 is letter D, $1,000. Well, how are you doing now? Did you get all the right answer? Okay, that's good. This is very easy now for you, right? I hope you can catch me for more videos that will surely enhance your reading ability. This is Teacher Des, and I'll see you next time. Bye!